Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Nintendo Labo Variety Kit Cardboard DIY. With so many materials, of course. In this product, related to the product capacities, your is so nice as you can see. There are so many options to make. The Variety Kit includes 5 different projects to make, play and discover. 2 Toy-Con RC cars, a Toy-Con fishing rod, a Toy-Con house, a Toy-Con motorbike, and a Toy-Con piano. And all of this assembling instructions are online under my channel. You can look this or you can watch this too, of course. I hope you will enjoy these videos too. Because you're not only buying materials, you are buying some fun for assembling. If you like to assemble this, you will have so many fun, and let's bring each Toy-Con creation to life with the power of Nintendo Switch console and Joy-Con controllers. So you have to use a Switch plus Joy-Con controllers to or with this product, and discover the fun of customizing Toy-Con creations with your own stickers, markers, paint new parts, and other original crafting ideas. Experiment with a fun and powerful in-game visual tool in Toy-Con Garage, where you connect input, output, and middle nodes to create your own basic or celebrate ideas for Toy-Con creations. This is the inside of the box, as you can see, and this is the game itself. It's a small model, of course, and there are so many other different parts, so many layers of cardboards, of course, and it's all biological, also it is recyclable. This is good for the nature too. There are only, I think, 15 parts of plastic, and these are only rings a little bit. It's small, but the other parts are all made of recyclable good product. And as you can see, the cardboards have some stitches lines, and the paint is on the top, and this you have to push it out, and then you have construct the piano, for example, the RC car, the fishing rod, the house, and so many other different parts, motorbike, for example. And in the Toy-Con Garage you can create and make so many new products out of your mind. So, and take time for assembling these products. For example, the piano needs a lot of time, about 1 until 2 hours. The motorbike is only 30 until 40 minutes. The house will need 1.5 hours, the fishing rod 1 hour, and the RC cars both of them will need 30 minutes. But it's fun time, really. You can assembling it by using your friends, by using your family, do something together and have fun with this. This is an awesome idea by Nintendo, and this will bring the gaming experience into a new level, of course a higher level. You can make your own music, you can build some notes, you can make a piano play jamming session, of course. You can make some races with the RC car. It's so many options, and it's so beautiful designed. I think this is nice, but I think a little bit more content will be better. Okay, but it's awesome. Buy this, build it, and have fun. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. I hope so. Soon.